If you're thinking about buying a home right now, you might feel confused. You hear people say, wait for interest rates to drop. Then someone else says, buy now before prices go up. So what should you do? Here's the truth. Most people trying to buy a home today aren't stuck because of the market. They're stuck because they don't have a strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to go from a home buyer to a homeowner, even in today's market. Right now, buyers are hearing a lot of things in the news. People are talking about interest rates, inflation, housing prices, and whether the market will crash. All of this information can make people feel overwhelmed, but here's the important fact. In early 2026, the average 30-year mortgage rate is around 6%. Now, some buyers hear that and think, wow, that's too high. But what many people forget is that the average mortgage rate over the last 50 years is about 7 to 8%. So today's rates are actually closer to normal than many people think. What matters more than predicting perfect market rates is building a plan that works for your quality of life. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make today is focusing only on interest rate. And yes, rates matter, but the monthly payment matters even more. Let's look at an example. If someone buys a house at $500,000 at 1% change in the interest rate, it might change the monthly payment by around $300,000 to $350,000. That's important, but there are ways to adjust the payment. For example, seller credits, temporary rate buydowns, different down payment strategies. These tools can help lower your monthly payment even if the rate is not perfect. So instead of asking, what is the lowest rate possible? Better question is, what monthly payment feels comfortable for my quality of life? Another important thing buyers should understand is inventory. Now, inventory means how many homes are available for sale. Now, right now in the United States, across the country, there are about 3 to 4 months of housing supply. Balanced housing market normally has about 6 months of housing supply. What does that mean in simple terms? It means that there are more buyers than there are homes available in many areas. So when a good home comes on the market, serious buyers are still competing for it. This is why buyers who are prepared often win. They understand their numbers and they're ready to act when the right home appears. Now, transparency helps you make smart decisions. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions most people ever make, so it's important to understand the full picture. When you understand things like your monthly payment, your purchase price range, your loan options, and the total cost of homeownership, you can make a calm and confident decision. Buying a home should never feel like pressure, it should feel like clarity. And the more you understand the process moving forward and making smart decisions. The mindset shift from buyer to homeowner. There is one big mindset shift that successful buyers make. A buyer asks, is this the perfect time to buy? A homeowner asks, does this home and payment work for my quality of life? Perfect markets don't really exist. There will always be something happening in the economy. But people who focus on long-term ownership and stability often build the most wealth through real estate. That's because over time, real estate tends to grow in value. The first step in my process is called Clarity Call. It's a short conversation designed to help buyers understand their options before they start shopping seriously. During this call, we talk about what monthly payments feel comfortable, your possible price range, your loan options, and what buying could look like in today's market. The goal of the call is simple. No documents, no credit check, no pressure, no rushing, just clarity. Because once buyers understand their numbers and their strategy, the whole process becomes much easier. If you're thinking about buying it in the next year, the most important thing you can do is create a strategy. And you don't need perfect timing. You need a clear plan. And if you'd like help understanding your numbers and your options, you're always welcome to schedule a clarity call, because the goal isn't just about buying a house. It's becoming a homeowner with confidence and peace of mind.